This is Helicopter Island. The reason it's called Helicopter Island is because it looks like a helicopter. And I think it's our last stop on Tour 3, just out of El Nido.
With its long stretch of golden sand, crystal clear waters, and lush greenery, it was the perfect place to relax, swim, and soak in the breathtaking scenery before heading back to El Nido. Though the weather wasn't entirely on our side today, the island's beauty still shone through, and we made the most of our time enjoying the views and exploring the shoreline.